Welcome to Tax Dosti, your trusted guide to understanding complex tax laws. In this video, we're breaking down corporate tax, what it is, how it works, and how the UAE's approach compares with the USA and Pakistan. Let's dive in. Corporate tax is a levy imposed on the profits earned by businesses. It's a critical source of revenue for governments, funding public services and infrastructure. But the rate and structure of corporate taxes vary worldwide. The UAE introduced corporate tax starting June 2023 under Federal Decree Law No. 47 of 2022. Here's the breakdown. 0% tax for taxable income up to AED 375,000. 9% tax for income exceeding that amount. Businesses in free zones often maintain a 0% rate if they meet certain criteria. This system aligns with international standards, aiming to attract investments while ensuring tax compliance. It also reflects the UAE's commitment to sustainable economic growth and transparency. Now, let's compare the UAE's corporate tax with those of the USA and Pakistan. First up, the United States. The federal corporate tax rate is 21%, with additional state taxes varying from 0 to 12%. Complex regulations and global minimum tax initiatives apply to multinational corporations. Next, Pakistan law. The standard corporate tax rate is 29%, with variations for small companies and specific industries. Export-oriented sectors and certain industries enjoy reduced rates or exemptions to promote growth. And finally, the UAE, a competitive 9% rate for most businesses. Simpler compliance compared to the layered tax systems in the USA and Pakistan. The UAE's system strikes a balance between competitiveness and aligning with global tax norms like the OECD's Base Erosion and Profit Shifting (BEPS) project. Why does corporate tax matter? In the UAE, this policy diversifies revenue beyond oil, encourages global business competitiveness, supports public services and infrastructure development. Understanding corporate tax is vital for navigating today's global economy. Want to learn more? Subscribe to Tax Dosti for more insights and practical advice on tax laws worldwide. See you in the next video.